Hey guys, Keith from Methodology IT here with 3 AI tools that have transformed our business and saves our staff at least 10 hours per week. Number one, Fireflies for meetings. Fireflies attends my meetings even when I don't. It records them, takes a transcript, notes, and produces action items for me to follow up with. I can search the content of my meetings across different platforms, Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, it doesn't matter. And I can stop taking notes during my calls and focus on what's happening. Microsoft Copilot for secure data insights. So we probably all have used ChatGPT, but Copilot analyzes your company data and it keeps your information private. It lives inside of all of your Office apps, so it's easy to run searches or analyze data from within an application. Some common things that I've done or scans that I've done are, hey, scan my mailbox for anything important that I haven't responded to today. Or one of my favorites is scan all of our company mailboxes and find any instances of customers that are upset with us. Another one I've used is draft a response to this client proposal based on our past contracts and documents. Number three, Controlio for user productivity tracking. Controlio allows you to compare users or groups of users to compare productivity levels. You can identify apps or sites or other things that may be causing a lack of production. One great thing that it does is it shows you which apps are being used more and which apps aren't being used, allowing you to potentially cancel paid subscriptions that aren't really being used. All of these, the key benefits come down to time savings, which produce cost savings for you. That's all I got. Hopefully that was helpful. If you like this, please share it with someone. And as always, if you'd like to talk more, hit us up. Thank you.